Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Laybuy application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Laybuy app on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the login button to continue forward with logging in to your existing account. You can then type in your credentials. Enter your email address that you have used while signing up to create your account within the email address box. Then type in your account password that you have set up within the Enter Password section. After entering both your email address and your password, tap on the Continue button, and now you will be logged in to your existing account on Laybuy right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Laybuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.